lot of bad knowledge shit I can't say. It's probably why I got put these problems in my damn way. Everything. Whoa, whoa, yeah. Boss more everything. Ay, I swear to God, look at me. Boss more everything. Yeah, yeah. Boss more everything. Yeah, I'm from the South Side, Chicago, where they known to pop lit.
All right, let's get into quick tip number 2 for this series.
Come on.
All right, now number 2 is a really low-cost addition to your home studio that not only makes it look cooler and add a vibe, but it's absolutely essential for my workflow process. It will save you tremendous amounts of time.
Yes,
this is having a programmable mouse and a programmable keyboard, and they're really inexpensive, okay? I'll put the links below to the ones that, well, I'll put some cheaper options. I use fairly expensive ones, but there's very affordable ones on Amazon, okay? But here's the thing. Having programmable buttons on the mouse that operates the same way that the keystrokes do, it's just gonna save so much time, okay? If you want some examples, on my mouse, I have buttons that can set to mute a recording, all right? To mute a track, to solo a track, to lock the recording so I can move it, so that I can automatically cut. And this way I can literally work 3 times faster without having to move my hands at all to the keyboard, right? Well, if you add everything up through this whole series, all of these videos and ideas they have for workflow, it's gonna end up giving you a workflow that actually makes you unstoppable because there's nothing slowing down your workflow. Those moments of inspiration happen more often, and they're also, when they happen, they're not lost, right? You're more creative and you finish more songs, right? So check out the next video for the next tip. Make them little bite-sized videos for you, all right? I'm Rob Level. This is Smart Rapper. Make sure you check out the links below. Make sure you check out the Music Industry Shortcut and join thousands of other artists like you. They have resources that you wouldn't have anywhere else, all right? Keep hustling, gang. Make sure you check out my new songs. I'll play one of them over here because I'm an artist just like you, and I don't stop, all right? Keep hustling. I'll see you at the top.
Boss more everything. Whoa, yeah.